Hello guys and welcome to today's market recap. Today I did not took any trades because the market really like as you can see I don't have like much to explain. Like look at this. I was waiting. I'm going to explain what I was looking for and what ended up happening in the market. So without further ado, please don't forget to smash out the like button and to hit that subscribe button. Please bro, just one subscriber away from 230 and we're going to end the goal of May and we're going to start the goal of June, and I'm pretty sure that you can guys hit that up. It's 240. Please guys, you can do it. I'm pretty proud of you guys. You really have been doing much, and with that being said, let's get started. So coming into the day, I was looking on. So first of all, I was having a bullish bias. You may ask why. Hold on. On the daily time frame, we were trading in a bullish order flow. We're still maintaining the bullish order flow. We're still making the higher highs, and then I was looking for taking a long. I was potentially looking for taking a long. After that, I scaled down to the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame, we are also in the uptrend, and we just made the higher highs. Now we made the lower. Now we are making the higher lows on Asian session and London session. So with that, I said, okay, cool. If you want to maintain the 4-hour order flow and the daily order flow, I need to see some sort of retracement back into this fair value gap on the 4-hour, and taking out these London session lows and these Asian session lows, and then potentially a sweep of liquidity and a simple continuation to the upside and just a regular model. With that, I scaled down to the hourly time frame. I marked out my higher time frame draws on liquidity, which are those hourly highs, those Asian session highs, and those 4-hour highs as well. So we were not having much of draws on liquidity to the upside, but then on the downside we have these lows, we have these lows, and we have these lows that we just took out right now. And with that, as soon as New York session opened, because I said I'm trying to make myself trade only one session, which is New York session, because I'm pretty sure that the whole summer I will be only able to trade New York session. So I need to train myself to only trade one session. What I was saying is I was waiting for price to hit these lows or even these lows since when the New York session opened, and I was looking for a sweep of liquidity and then potentially to see continuation to the upside, which is this 15-minute breakout structure. I marked out this alarm right here. I set an alarm right here so I can see price. If I see a breakout structure right here, I will wait to see a continuation off of that, retracement back into some sort of imbalances, and then my target will be these highs and also those draws on liquidity. And that is it, literally for both pairs, actually not only GJ. The same exact thing on USD I was bullish in the first place. I was bullish, and we still have we are maintaining the bullish order flow on the daily time frame, and as you can see right here, it's a sweep of liquidity, maintaining the bullish order flow, breakout structure. Now we should continue moving higher to make the new higher high, and that was I was thinking about. And since that, I scaled down to the 4-hour, same exact thing. I was waiting for price to create the new leg down, to create the higher low, and then potentially make the higher highs. And that is it. That's what I was actually looking for. I was marked out my draws on liquidity, what I was looking for price to take before that. So today we actually had pretty much a little bit of news. Domestic hold on, we have unemployment claims and GDP actually on USD pairs. So with that, I waited for news to come out. We had this leg down, and then we never ended up breaking the structure to the upside, to them continuing the move to the upside. And that is it. Literally, I have nothing to talk about in the daily bias video. I didn't do it because I had a lot of stuff going on, and I kept back testing. Also, today I backtested for almost 2 hours and hold on. So this was the results of today. I backtested, and every single trade I backtest, I journal it as well on Notion and actually on my notebook. And I really think that ICT just said that also, which is like journaling by your hand, like by a pen and a notebook, is I think a little bit than Notion template. But actually, even the Notion templates are a great way to journal. And I'm going to show you now, since if you don't have anyone like have a Notion template, I have created this by myself. This is just the copy, not my personal. I duplicated so I can show it to you or even like give it to you. So this is it. Here we have like some motivational shit. They have a cool date and a time, like like whatever. And then here we have your trading rules. Here it is, the actual part. So the first thing that you're going to see is this big trade log. This is where you're going to log every single trade. This is for trading, like everyday trade. You go in, you type in the pairs, you select the date, you select the time frame, your session that you traded about, that you traded in, the direction of the trade, your buys. That means your setup. What was your setup in the first place? What was your thought process on a trade? Like my daily buys video, like just like that. You just say whatever you see in the chart and type it out actually. And you also take screenshots because you're going to use them as well. You put in your entry price, your exit price, your risk to reward ratio, and your P&L, and automatically this is calculated loss from the win. And also your P&L will be calculated as well. So let's say if we have $34 and here we have minus 53, here it's going to calculate it for you, and also the same exact thing right here. And then you type in, you put your screenshots before you took the trade and after you took the trade. Here you have your mistakes. What was your mistake in the trade? Your the lesson you learned from the trade, and then actually you put in your account balance. And that is it for the trade log. Before that, you can type this, and this is the backtest section, which you're going to log every single thing about the backtesting of yours. Like you need to have a backtesting plan. That's nothing to talk about. That's not negotiable, bro. This is your backtesting session. You type in your trade, your account, your date, the symbol, like the pairs or the model, the news impact, the narrative, like the buys, type of a trade, the session, the time frame, the confluences, the entry signal, the order type, the position, every single thing, and it's going to calculate it, every single thing by itself. Also, the next thing, which is, hold on, the weekly planner for you. You go into this before the start of every week. You journal, like not like journal, you simply just type in the tasks for this week. What are you looking to do, and what are you actually going to like every single thing. Like let's say here you have, I don't know, make, or let's say I'm going to trade, and like the status to do or in progress or done or review or achieved. The prioritize, you're going to say like it has a high prioritize or low, and right here you put in like what it is, like a work, trading, studying, leisure, like any single thing. You can add things if you want. The time, you can say like it's going to calculate it by itself, like the hours and the minutes and the date, and that's it. You can have Pomodoro, like type of mode, and or a short break or a long break, and it has a cool timer right here. And that is it actually. And we still have more things actually. Hold on. If we go right here, you have this section where it calculates the P&L automatically. Also here you have the calendar view, your gallery right here, and this, you have this cool trade log. You're going to refresh it, and it's going to give you the percentage from the wins, of the wins from the losses. And You have the weekly profile right here. It's just like the other one, but the other one is cooler, is way cooler. But this is just a simple one. You can type in the text right here. What are you looking to do, and every single thing. Also here you have the performance table, which you're going to like put in, let's say, your account name, or like let's say you have an FTMO account. No. Let's say you have an FTMO account right here. Let's say you bought a 10K account. I'm pretty sure that's 10K, alright? No, that's not 10K. This is 10K. Hold on, what the fuck? Let's say $100, bro. Fuck that shit. Let's say $100. Your target is $150. The progress is still there. You can start like right here, and the winning days, the losing days, like it's going to calculate every single thing, and also it's going to give you the win rate. And yeah, that is the trade journal template that I use. If you want to have that, link will be down below in the description if you're interested in taking this. Also, it's very cheap. It's very cheap for its like information and the value that it has. That is it for this. And that is it for today's video. It's a very short video. I'm very sorry for you guys, because there is actually nothing to do. Some days it's going to be like this, and you're never going to figure it out before backtesting. So backtest, because when I backtested, hold on, I'm going to give you the honest, like how much of a days it took me to take a trade. So I backtested the whole month. Today and yesterday I backtested the whole month of May. So we have a week streak of not taking any trades. Like look at this, no trades because of price action, no trades because the price never ended up hitting my key levels, no trades because the bias was right and I missed the trade, no trades because the session was out and ended up taking any trades. Like all of that shit, and you're never going to figure out your mistakes only by journaling, bro. Even on your backtesting you're going to make your head like know every single thing about this. Like I see the chart and I know where it's going to do, where it's going to go, but then the whole plan of you, the whole rules and the plans will be written right here. Your journal. You need to journal every single trade, bro. That's when you know your mistakes from like the good things. Also, you're going to learn a very good lessons in your trading. Also, I would recommend backtesting and journaling very much if you have a losing streak. So if you don't actually journal or backtest and you had a losing streak,
6 o'clock,
bro, please start fucking backtesting and journaling. You never know where is your mistakes and what is your mistakes only by fucking journaling. I'm going to fucking show you my old journal, not like the one that I already showed you now. I'm going to show you my old journal. Hold on. I started it from the first of the year, and I kept doing it for I think 5 months. Like look at this, I journal every single fucking trade. Look at this, my PC is even lagging, bro. Look at this shit. I journal it every single trade. And you may like just say, oh, you're going to just type in like select something right here. No, bro, look at this. All of this written down every single day. Whether I took a trade, look, a loss, I type in all this. No trades, I type in all this. Like journaling, bro. Journaling, that is it. Even when I win, I fucking journal. There is no day where I did not journal. There is no day where I did not backtest and journal. That's it. You're never going to know your mistakes by not doing this shit. So I would recommend it very fucking much. You're going to know every single thing, and you're going to master your mind. Not trading. You're never going to master trading ever. You're never gonna master the markets, bro. The only thing that you're going to master is your mind, because you'll never win every single trade and you'll never lose every single trade. The only thing that separates from that is your mind. So if you don't master your mind or your mindset, you'll never be profitable. And that is applicable also to me. I'm saying this to myself also. I'm not just saying it to you. As I told you, I'm not a teacher. I'm just teaching myself. I'm teaching myself by the good habits of the market, by the good habits of the hard work, and that's it. I'm telling you guys, you're never going to learn it the easy way, whether you're going to learn it the hard way or the harder way. You choose your way, but that's it, guys. It's not easy at all, and I'm telling you, it needs work and dedication and discipline, and that's it. You're never going to make it with motivation. So if you don't have discipline, you need to work on that. And that is it for today's video, man. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, boys.